taking fluid out of the saliva collection swabs.
This year alone, Professor Frank Middleton and his team have tested nearly 2 million people for coronavirus. Every day, saliva samples come in from school districts across the region, colleges across the state, and even the Syracuse Crunch.
They must be symptomatic, yes, they're symptomatic ones.
The positives aren't just reported back to the patient, they're studied for mutations. Each human has a unique DNA, as does the virus their body replicates.
You and I, or you and anyone else, we're 99.9% the same. How we have different traits, different appearances, different qualities is that very small percentage of our genome where we diverge.
To find differences between strains, the genetic package of each sample is taken apart chemically. Computers compare the results to less evolved versions and visually highlight the mutant components. Over time, regular mutations become the next named variant.
These are all Delta. That's all we've seen the last few months. Delta, Delta, Delta.
Professor Middleton puts local results into an international database, where labs in other countries have already registered the genetic blueprint of Omicron.
Now let's quickly look at the S gene in Omicron. And there are more than 30 mutations that are there. That's the alarming difference.
Alarming because that S gene is the spike protein, the area targeted by the vaccine's antibodies, which might not work as well.
I would just encourage people to not assume that the virus isn't out there, because it's definitely out there.
He literally sees it every day. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.